Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you the spin and swing effects tutorial on CapCut. So first, add your clips and then click on the first clip, go to animations and then click on combo and select the spin animation. Okay, click on the spin and then set it all the way like this and then click on the check icon and do the same for the second clip. Okay, click on the check icon and then click on the transition box and then click on camera and choose the left option. Okay, click on the check icon and export your video. Okay, after it finished, go back and then click on the transition again and change the transition into right. Click on the check icon and then export the video again. Okay, click on done and start a new project and add the latest video, this one. Click on add and then go to overlay, add overlay and then add the first video you exported, so this one's right here. Click on add and after that fit the size, go to mouse and click on split. Click on the check icon and export the video again. Click on done, start a new project and add the latest video, this one. Click on add and then go to video effects. Okay, and then go to the distortion and then select the rebound swing. Then adjust the effect like this. For the speed, set it into 35 and then the size, set it into 50 and the intensity into 20. Okay, click on the check icon and set the effect for all of the clips. Okay, so here is the final result for the spin and swing effect. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this content, please don't forget to click on the thanks below, like this video, comment and subscribe if you haven't done that. I'll see you all in the next following videos. Thank you.